Good morning, children. In the previous classes, you have studied about shapes like figures such as triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, etc. And you have also learned to find out the area of such shapes. In this lesson, we are studying to find out area of triangles. Before that, we can recall what is triangle. Triangle is a polygon with minimum number of sides. And a triangle is having 3 sides and 3 angles. And on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles, we can classify triangles. First of all, we can classify triangles on the basis of sides. There are 3: equilateral, isosceles and scalene. An equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which 2 sides are equal. And in a scalene triangle, no sides are equal. And on the basis of angles, we can classify it as acute angled triangle, right angled triangle and obtuse angled triangle. In an acute angled triangle, all the 3 angles are acute, that is less than 90 degree. And in a right angled triangle, one angle is 90 degree, that is right angle. And in an obtuse angled triangle, one angle is obtuse, that is more than 90 degree. And you have already studied formulas for finding areas of triangles. 2 formulas you have learned. One is half BH, that is half base into height. Height means the perpendicular to a side from the opposite vertex. And all the types of triangles, if such information is getting, we can find out area using this formula. And for an equilateral triangle, there is a formula √3/4 a square. Here in 9th standard, you are learning another formula for finding area of triangle named Heron's formula. Let's start with Heron's formula. As I told, there is a new formula for finding area of triangle. It is Heron's formula. It is like this: area of triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, that is half of perimeter. And A, B, C are sides of the triangle. Once again, for finding area of triangle, you are learning a new formula. It is Heron's formula. It is area of triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, that is half of perimeter. As we know, A, B and C are the 3 sides of the triangle. And this formula can be used for a scalene triangle. And whenever we are getting the information about 3 sides of a triangle and to find area, we have to use Heron's formula. Once again, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, that is half of perimeter. Let's start with a problem. First question is, find the area of the triangle whose sides are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. Have you seen the question? And in this question, there is a given information and asked information. The given informations are A equal to 122 meter, B equal to 22 meter and C equal to 120 meter. And we have to find out the area of the triangle with these measurements. For that, we have to use Heron's formula because the 3 sides are different measures. For a scalene triangle, we can use Heron's formula for finding area of the triangle. And for that, we should find out S. S means A plus B plus C by 2. We can substitute the value in this. It is 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by 2. So it goes like this, 264 by 2, that is 132. So we found out S equal to 132 meter. Now we can find out area of triangle. For finding area of triangle, we can use the Heron's formula, that is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here we are substituting the values, that is root of 132 into 132 minus 122 into 132 minus 22 into 132 minus 120. And we can simplify it, then it is root of 132 into 10 into 110 into 12. It is 132 into 10 into 110 into 12. If we are multiplying this all, we will get a big answer, big number. So it is better to factorize these numbers to find out square root. So 132 can be factorized as 12 into 11. Then we can write it likewise. 110 can be factorized as 11 into 10. Then 12 also is there. And for finding square root, we have to take one number outside from a pair of numbers. Here in this, there are two 12s. So 1 12 we are taking outside and 2 11s are there. 1 11 we are taking outside and there are 2 10s. Okay, so 1 10 also we are taking outside. It is the simplest way to find out the square root. Instead of multiplying these big numbers, we have to factorize it and make into pairs, and from each pair we can take one outside. So we got area of triangle is 1320 meter square. Once again, here is the information: A equal to 122 meter, B equal to 22 meter and C equal to 120 meter. Here we can use Heron's formula for doing it. We have to find out S, that is half of perimeter. Here we got it as 132 meter. After that, we are substituting these values in the Heron's formula. At last, we got it as 1320 meters square. I think you understood it. Okay. Let's do another problem. The question is, sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Here, the given information is in the form of proportion, that is 12:17:25 and perimeter is given as 540. In such cases, we have to use like this: A equal to 12x, B equal to 17x and C equal to 25x. It is not the correct measurement. We have to find the value of x and substitute the value here, then we will get the sides of the triangle. And perimeter is given in the question that 540 centimeter. We know how to find perimeter of a triangle. It is the sum of measures of three sides of the triangle, that is A plus B plus C. It is equal to 540 and here A equal to 12x, B equal to 17x and C equal to 25x. Therefore, 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal to 540. That means 54x equal to 540. From that, we can find out value of x. It is 540 divided by 54, that is 10. So here we got the value of x and we are substituting the value of x in A 12x, that is 12 into 10, it is 120 centimeter. B is 17x, so it is 17 into 10, it is 170 centimeter. And C is 25x, that is 25 into 10, it is 250 centimeter. And we can find out S. S is half of perimeter. Perimeter is directly given in the question, so we can easily find it out. That is 540 divided by 2, it is 270 centimeter. So we got the information of measurements of three sides and half of perimeter. Now we are finding area of triangle. Here we can use Heron's formula. It is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We can substitute the values in the formula. It is root of 270 into 270 minus 120 into 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 250. It is root of 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. We can factorize 270 as 9 into 3 into 10 and 150 as 3 into 5 into 10. 100 is a perfect square, so no need of factorizing it. And 20 can be factorized as 2 into 10. Here we know the square root of 9 is 3. We can take it outside. Then from 2 3's, that is a pair of 3's, we take 1 3 outside. Then 2 10's are there, so 1 10 we are taking outside. Again 100 is a perfect square and its root is 10. Then 1 5 is there, 2 is there and 10 is there. From that we can take 2 into 5 outside. So finally, while multiplying this, we are getting 9000 centimeters square. Okay, thank you. We will see you next class.